Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Revolut Business, manage company finances step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Revolut Business. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Revolut Business login page. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Type in your email address associated with your Revolut business account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Revolut. Open the email and click the login link provided. You may be asked to enter your password on the next screen. Type your password carefully to avoid any typing errors. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the login screen. Once your credentials are verified, you will be redirected to your company dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features available. Now you can manage your company finances effectively through Revolut Business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.